Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share with you my own DIY drinks. Since today is cool, it's too hot, and obviously there is no light again because to avoid to attract the insect at night, so I'm not putting any lights. So it's quite hot, so I'm making my own drinks. Simple and easy and refreshing. So I have here a little bit of the lemon liquid and bicarbonate. A little bicarbonate only. That is bicarbonate, guys, that is used for cooking. Because be careful, there were bicarbonates not also edible. So make sure that that kind of bicarbonate is for eating or for alimentasyon or for food. So I have water, and that is, I rarely drink cold water, but tonight I'm taking cold water. So into the glass is a little bit of lemon, but tiny, guys, not a lot. But how we will see. We'll just have a pinch of the lemon. I'll just set aside the camera. Then we'll do the lemon. Hopla, that's a lot. So I'm just have a tiny bicarbonate. Don't you see if it reacts? Does it react a little bit? So it means our lemon is effective. So there's a reaction. So we will add a little bit of the water. Again, guys, don't put a lot of the bicarbonate. You are only consume a little. You know, anything excessive is bad. So before you consume, guys, do your own research. There were a lot of informations available in Google, so make sure you do your own research before doing anything or ingesting anything. Disclaimer, guys, so this is my own. I'm not promoting this, and don't copy unless you are doing your own research. So I'm just showing you that I'm making my own refreshing drink. So let's have a taste. It's how it tastes. If it is need more water, because the bicarbonate, guys, should be just a little, not a lot. So we will see what we shall see. If there is a moon, it's dark, guys, you cannot see, right? I was wondering why there's no camera there. There we are. I'm here. It was covered by the... It was covered. So again, let's have a drink. Refreshing. I was it with my hand, guys. And here are my harvest of today. Not big. There is one I was accidentally pick up this afternoon, guys. So they are not quite big as of the moment because of the hot temperature. I was not able to water them, and they are ripened prematurely. So the strawberry, lesson learned. The strawberry will only what you call that one? They will only grow if there is water and correct sunlight and correct water. So you can art your glass with the strawberry. So we will add the water. The bicarbonate is not really obvious actually. I'm not making a smoothies as of the moment, guys. I was lazy to prepare the strawberry because there is no light. So by this time it's just that one. So let's enjoy the weather. I cannot see any moon. There's no moon. So again, what we have drink is just this refreshing something. And the lemon, guys, if you want a little bit sweet, you can just add a little because this one is not really sweet. That if you like, but if you don't like that it is so sweet, you can just have the enough. Then we will taste it again. Si Tribong, refreshing. Yum, 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 yum. I don't know if you heard about the bicarbonates, guys, that it is good for the digestion. It will help the stomach. But if you want to know the first-hand information, just try to check it in Google, guys. I was just able to read it one time that it is good to have a little bit of bicarbonate in our system. But I'm not recommending it to you guys because every one of us, we are not all the same. So try to do your own research and find out on its own. Find it out on your own so that you can get a first-hand information. Cheers for the beautiful weather. It's a beautiful day today with you. It's a beautiful day today. So cheers for the beautiful day, for the harvest. Beautiful harvest. Cheers to the beautiful harvest. Cheers to the abundance of the universe. Cheers for this water. Cheers for the good health. Cheers to beautiful life. Cheers for the beautiful flowers. Cheers to the tranquility and peace. Cheers to the love and joy. Cheers to everything, to the friendship, to the family, to the peace and unity and love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Well, guys, thank you, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope I was able to share with you today a refreshment which is fast and easy. And the best thing of this is to add a little bit of the leaves of the mint. Hello mint, where are you? But this one is the leaves of the melis. Look, it's the leaf of the melis. I supposed to, let's smell. I'm not really sure if this is a melis. I will not do it because I'm not really sure if that is a melis because it's night time. So I'm not really sure, but I'm sure I have the mint here. I don't know where it is now, guys. Cannot find it anymore. Well, anyway, let's have a drink. The melis is here. La 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 la. refreshing, guys. So it's either you will add a little bit of the mint in there, leave it for 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Quite refreshing. Then if you have time, then do our strawberry smoothies, and maybe add a little ice cream on the top, 1 scoop, and put the mint. So strawberry mint smoothies, that would be nice too. And if you have kiwi, that would be nice too. Well, that's it for today, and thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you again next time. Bye. Bye. La 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 la. It's quite dark here, guys. Look, it's dark here. It's late actually, guys. It's already like 9 o'clock. 9, I don't know, 8, 9, but it's already dark. Oh, still bright. Dark, bright. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you again next time. Bye.